you, thank you so much for the overwhelming response and for all the subscription. Thank you so much for sending us your queries and asking us questions and suggesting topics for the future. You think I've overdone this?
Not at all. They really deserve this.
Absolutely. In fact, that is the topic that one of the subscribers has also suggested, which is gratitude. Now, we're very quick to acknowledge and appreciate and say thank you to people in general, whether it is at work or amongst friends or whatever. But where it really matters, do we say or do we express our gratitude as freely as we do otherwise? I just wonder कि अपनों के लिए क्या हो जाता है? Why are we so hesitant to say a simple thank you? How do you deal with that, or why not? Why shouldn't we? What stops us really from saying thank you to the people who really matter to us?
I totally agree. I don't know what stops us, but I definitely think that it should start. It really does matter, and it's a very simple topic. When I heard this question, I was thinking ki it really happens. It happens all the time, but the articulation of it made it exciting, and I felt it was worth discussing. So we brought it into the episode. So what you're right. We, in my experience, I think we do kind of take our close ones for granted. And one of the things that I hear a lot of times, because honestly, Vivek, this is also an issue with which, again, giving my own example, I faced with Debu many times. In fact, we've had chats about this.
Wow.
Because every time I meet anybody who he's working with, they'll come and they'll tell me, oh my God, you don't, like, we almost know you, because Debu talks so much about you and Aryan, and his love is seen and all. And I always tell Debu that bahar bolte ho, why don't you come and tell us, right? I mean, it's a good feeling. Not only is it a good feeling, but now we'll go into the depth of it, right? Because we are also somewhere, again, this is not about right, wrong, it's a perspective, please. So, we are also told or made to feel that, abhi apno ke saath, you should have enough faith, no.
Correct.
But of course I love you, but of course, yes, you do. And just because I'm asking you to acknowledge doesn't mean that I'm doubting there. It's not like a calculation. But the thing is that imagine if I just came home and if I just really told you, you know what, thank you, Vivek. I had such a wonderful day. And in the process, I realized that, it couldn't have happened without your support. And even the smallest thing that happened, and the things that I don't have to think about, and the peace that I get, it's a beautiful thing, right? To just hear. It actually opens you up also as a person to receive. So maybe, like when Debu tells me, a lot of times there's a reaction about, okay. Or, currently there's like, rulaigi kya? But I will also learn to say thank you, and I will learn to receive the goodness. The other thing that kind of happens is, because the person, like say for instance, I am not actually appreciating them. I'm going and telling others and all that is okay, but I'm not really, because I'm saying ki isko pata to hai, he knows that I love him and all that. So then your conversations that happen, what are they about? You know what, I don't think this is what you did was right. Or can you do this differently?
Yeah.
So I used to actually feel that every time Debu spoke to me, he was only criticizing me or giving me an instruction.
Yeah.
So there is no balance. Now, do I then not have the faith that he doesn't love me? I absolutely have the faith. But the conversation that happens, because you are not acknowledging or appreciating that part, the other part of the conversation just becomes very critical.
Sure.
And then I am feeling criticized, and then I'm not appreciated, I'm criticized, and then I'm sitting there with the feeling saying, how much is enough?
Yes.
right? And when will this, I mean, so it triggers, and then I'm saying, oh, I'm not good enough. And we talk so much about self-esteem and self-worth and self-love, and it's like really trending
Yeah, yeah.
currently. This is a very big part of that. Children, when they grow up and when they are constantly criticized, they pay a price for it.
Sure.
Then there is, I need perfection, I need to do things like that, I don't want anybody's criticism. So, along with that, if you balance it and say, thank you. For anything, Vivek, for anything, it doesn't have to be one deep emotional feeling. It just has to be, like I said, there are times, I'm studying, correct? There are many times when I go and tell Deepu that, really thank you. Because, today I am where I am because I have got your support. I tell my son, thank you for being the kind of person you are. And I see that, so this is also a very beautiful way of, one, opening yourself to receiving the goodness. Second, it is a way of working on your self-worth.
But, Geetu, if I may interject here, see, there are two ways if you were to look at it. One is, like you said, that, you can go and appreciate and say thank you for the little gesture. But sometimes, it's just that I think there is a whole conditioning again that it's assumed, no? Or is it because we're in a relationship or related or whatever, do I have to be formal? The word formal comes in, is formality ki kya zarurat hai? And the second part of it is from the receiver, which is I think very nice topic that you've touched upon, is that from a receiving point of view, have we somewhere felt again that it's a given that I will not be thankful, or it's my sense of duty really to do it. So the duty aspect of it,
absolutely,
it doesn't even strike
absolutely
that I should be receiving.
Yes, and hence the duty makes the relationship so technical. I can do my duty and still be appreciated. Has anybody said that because it's your duty? I want to tell you something really beautiful happened with me, I've had a difficult relationship in my family as a child and stuff. So, once my mother went through some experience of hers, and she called me and, she just told me that I want to have this conversation with you where I want to actually say sorry to you. And I was so surprised, and I said, for what? And she said, you know what, I've thought of something, I've experienced something, and I just want to say that maybe when you've grown up, you may have thought that what I did when I did it may not be the right thing. And she didn't say I did the wrong thing. She told me this. She said, you know what, when I did those things, from my perspective, they were the right things because I would do the right thing by you as a child. But now that you've grown up and now I see that you look at it differently. So I would just like to say, I'm sorry if it made you feel bad. Vivek, it was magical. It changed everything about my relationship with my mother. Without anything, that relationship just got healed. And it was amazing, Vivek. It was just absolutely amazing because I felt that my experiences or what I went through or what I felt, the hurt that I felt was just acknowledged.
And this from a mother who
And
didn't
this,
have formal
yes,
education as such.
yes.
To
And
say
you know,
that.
in that moment, I actually looked up to my mother and I said, wow, how much wisdom. It was not about, see, I knew you did it. See, because of the way she spoke, because of the way she acknowledged it, I looked up to her as, wow, what a wise thing to do. Right? And then, you know, I always wonder that अभी तुम बाहर वाले को जाके बोलती हो तो इधर आके बोलने में what is the problem? Then are you even saying that truthfully? I mean, if that is authentic, then you come and tell me. So you are being unauthentic in one place. Either you're being unauthentic there or you're being unauthentic here.
Strong That's
Right?
a very strong
Yeah.
point. Actually, come to think of
Yeah.
it, because
Why?
if you really are in gratitude, then
Yes.
why not here
Yes.
as well?
I'm telling you, forget even if gratitude is too heavy a word, you know, it could be appreciation, it
Yes.
could be acknowledgement, it could just, and really, Vivek, you know what happens? From feeling not enough, you start feeling I'm enough. And it's a very beautiful gift to give somebody who's with you, that you're enough.
Uh,
And then you seek lesser from outside, you know.
I think what you really brought up, and especially in these times,
Yeah.
it's so good because material aspects can go up to a point, but these gestures remain with you forever. So I think you've touched upon some very nice aspects, Geetu, and I think I don't know how much we've been able to respond to the query, but sharing our experiences or our thought process, I hope it triggers at least an action where people.
Yes, because honestly, we are really doing our best to say whatever we can say in the most friendly, relatable manner in the 15 minutes that we get. Because these topics can go on and on. So we are really just saying we'll open something, and that's why we want you to interact with us. Because if you want to go deeper into something, write to us, and maybe we will do something about it and go deeper. That's how we will be in this journey together. So that you ask and we'll go deeper. We're giving you that. So please, guys, please interact with us. Write to us. You're listening to all the episodes we are doing right now. They're all from you, and they're magical. And we for sure are enjoying it.
Totally. So do like, subscribe to our channel, coupletales.life, the colorful shades of grey, and don't forget to ring on the bell icon so that you know about all our future episodes. Thank you so much. It's been wonderful interacting with you guys. This is Vivek Kapoor.
And this is Geetu Purkayastha telling you to please leave a comment. We would also like to be appreciated.
Absolutely.
Thank you.